Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the AA Fonts package and installing immediately. Unzip the archive, then use the system font installer or drag files into your user fonts folder. This makes them available to apps. Once done, clear the font cache or restart the application to ensure new families load. Make sure you have permission to install fonts on the machine, and note where the file's live so you can reference exact names in the next step. You now open your application and select the AA font by exact name. Approximate matches fail. In the text styling panel, set weight, size, and adjust letter spacing for optical balance. Make use of OpenType features the font provides, ligatures, stylistic sets, or contextual alternates to preserve intended glyph shapes. Once you dial in settings, save a style preset or export a style sheet so you finish by exporting assets with embedded fonts or converting text to outlines for safe distribution. PDFs are usually best. If glyphs appear missing or substituted, check that the AA font is active, reinstall the specific family, and clear system font caches. Make sure you aren't exceeding licensing limits for embedding. Finally, test the output on another computer or device to confirm visual parity. This catches substitution issues early so you can fix activation or export settings before publishing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.